Hey everyone, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. And in this video, I will show you how to generate consistent characters in image with Gemini. Alright, let me just open up a new chat and I will give you the sample prompt. So you just go Tools, Create Image. Let us choose Steampunk for this and input this prompt. Okay, choose Thinking for better results and Submit. And then when you get the image you love, this is your anchor. Okay, and here's our results. And then you can click the floating identity icon if you have it. If you're on the phone, the interface is different. And then just log the subject identity as a reference. So just type this into the chat. And Gemini will now isolate facial structure, skin texture, and hair pattern into a dedicated reference model. Okay, and the next step is using this kind of prompt. So this will pretty much be your next result. Watch the generation and the mood will change, but the face remains identical to the anchor image. So you can just change her clothes, the art style, or even the age. The core identity will stay stable. Okay, that's a pretty awesome result, I would say. That's pretty much how you do it. And guys, don't forget, you can start building your universe and change anything that you see by new prompts. That's it. So this is the consistency guide for you. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.